Hey guys and girls, in this video we are gonna take a look at top 5 best printer for passport photos. Printer and printing technology have come a long way since their invention. Once upon a time, printers were massive, and you had to dedicate an entire room's worth of space to accommodate it. Selecting the right one is not easy. In this video, we will be discussing the top 5 best printer for passport photos. Number 1. HP Sprocket Instant Printer for Passport Photos. HP Sprocket is a fun way to get good quality photo prints at home. It is also quite easy to use, making it one of the most ideal choices for any mobile photographer. After print, the photo that you get is fully resistant to water, smudging, or tearing. In addition to its fantastic printing capability, what we loved most about the unit is its size. It features a slim design, and you can even connect multiple smartphones to print from different sources. Number 2. Kodak Dock Plus Printer for Passport Photos. Kodak is a trusted name among photographers, both for its high-quality cameras and printers. The unit utilizes Kodak's unique 4-pass technology to ensure you get quality photos anytime you use it. This is the main reason that makes it the best printer for passport photos. Multiple connectivity options and affordable cost per print. In terms of connectivity, you can not only use it with your smartphone via Bluetooth, but also with PC. Number 3. Kodak Step Wireless Printer for Passport Photos. Kodak Step Wireless Best Mobile Photo Mini Printer. The passport pictures you print will be resistant to any form of damage, ensuring your memories will remain intact. You can connect your mobile device with it using Bluetooth or NFC. The compact nature of the unit is what makes it such a great choice for mobile photographers. Whether you are printing black and white or in color, your printing speed will be 1 page per minute at most. Number 4. Canon IVY Mini Printer for Passport Photos. Canon IVY, one of the best mini photo printer for smartphones. It features a print resolution of up to 314 by 400 dots per inch, giving you a crisp and clear image after print. Extremely portable and lightweight, and access to Canon IV Mini app. It is comparable to the HP Sprocket both in picture clarity and ease of use. The unit connects with your smartphone using Bluetooth and turns it into a mini studio. In terms of quality, Number 5. Canon Selfie CP1300 Wireless Printer for Passport Photos. Canon Selfie Best Wireless Printer for Passport Photos. The first upgrade it offers over other models on this list is the addition of an input tray and the ability to choose your picture size. Furthermore, connectivity options are much more robust in the unit. You also get access to the Canon Print Plug application for different devices. You can also find a 3.2 inches LCD screen that lets you monitor the different options in the machine.